tiny pimple like, which they call it.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you, I'm into you.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to show you my favorite DIY underarm whitening. So there's a lot of whitening products out in the market, but there is only one solution that you can whiten your underarms, and that is the baking soda. Baking soda is great for exfoliation in our skin. It also helps to unclog our pores, and it also helps to remove your dead skin cells, which is also amazing. And it's kind of cheap. So this is my underarm situation at the moment. As you can see, I still have this I don't know, I call it the Michelin lines. Kind of discoloration, maybe because of my weight, I don't know. And one of the #1 causes of the dark underarms is by shaving. Very easy to remove your unwanted hair by shaving. A little bit an even tone. So I have a solution here. I'm going to show you how I eliminate my dark underarms area. So if you want to know the easy way how to lighten your dark underarm area, please keep on watching. Okay, so the #1 ingredient is lemon. It's very rich in vitamin C, and it has a lot of properties which also help our dark areas. And the next product is a baking soda. So I'm using this baking soda from Mackenzie's. So you can use a different kind of baking soda brand, but this brand that I have at the moment. Okay, we need more. As long as you reach this kind of paste-like, and then you go ahead and apply it into your underarms. So let's go. Now we made the paste, let's go ahead and apply it and scrub it for about 5 minutes and leave it for like about 2 minutes, and then wash it off with a lukewarm water. So afterwards, I'm scrubbing all into circles. I'm going into a horizontal or vertical just to get all that scrubbing dub in my Michelin's line. So once I'm done letting it sit for a while, as you can see, it kind of crystallized. Para siyang tawas. So I'm going ahead to wipe it off. You can wash it in your sink. When you're done washing off, don't forget to moisturize your underarm. You can use creams or some coconut oil if you have at home. For me, I'm using the argan oil to give moisture my skin. At the same time, argan oil has a lot of great properties. There. Using with argan oil, it kind of smooth out my chicken skin. This chicken skin. By the way, this method you can also use in your dark knees area or your inner thigh, any areas that you have certain undiscoloration or hyperpigmentation. It also helps to lighten. All you have to do is repeat this method 3 or 4 times a week to see the result effectively. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!